respond, KHB38.
Will move into a warm and very humid air mass by Friday afternoon. This will likely trigger multiple rounds of thunderstorms from Friday afternoon through much of Saturday. Storms are likely to be slow-moving and produce torrential rain. A general 1 to 3 inches of rain is forecast, but locally higher totals over 5 inches are possible. Combined with wet antecedent conditions, this could lead to flash flooding. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
What the hell, Mahala? You just freaking sneaked up on me.
Here is